la versione di Tom Jones. Scusa.
Someone told me long ago there's a calm before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so they say, it's a rain and sunny day. I know, shining down like a water. I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? I just want you to know, have you ever seen the rain coming down the sunny day? Yesterday and days before, sun is cold, the rain is hard. I know nothing for my time till forever gone and go to the sacrifice that's low. I know it's been coming for some time. To know, have you ever seen the rain? I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? Oh, coming down in a sunny day.
Grazie.
Antonino, grande, un magnifico pezzo dei Creedence Clearwater Revival di John Fogerty e Rivers in the Rain, un grande classico. Grazie, grazie Antonino,
Grazie a voi.
francamente grazie alla band e al posto di Vito.